What makes a Toyota car a Toyota? What makes a Ford car a Ford? What makes a Honda car a Honda? I have the answer. It is the front bumper of a car. Let's look at Toyota back in 2018. Car models include the Toyota Corolla, Sienna, Camry, and RAV4. There is a similarity between all of these cars, which is a V-shaped opening with the Toyota logo in the middle and a larger grille below that. However, Sequoia, Tundra, and Tacoma share the same front bumper with a fat grille that connects the two headlights. What about Honda? 2019 provides a good example. Honda Civic, Accord, Pilot, CR-V, Insight, Ridgeline, and Odyssey have a sort of the same front bumper. That is a thick line, either chrome or dark colored, connecting the two headlights with the Honda logo on it. How about Ford? We can rewind back to 2009. Ford Edge, Flex, Fusion Taurus, and Focus have big chrome lines on their front bumper. Ford Explorer, Expedition, F-50, F-250, F-350, F-450, and Ranger have multiple horizontal lines with bigger gaps in between. Ford Escape is in a different realm. 2012 Nissans have horizontal lines on all of the bumpers of their vehicle models, and BMW has the signature two separate grills that seem to get bigger as the years go on. So, why does every car company like Audi, with their signature grills that they've had since 2005, and the 2024 Volkswagens have similar front bumper designs? There are two reasons. Number one is the low cost of production. Rather than wasting time to trying to come up with a vast range of different bumpers to put on different cars, car manufacturers stick to a few similar bumpers that they modify to fit on vehicles of different sizes, which can simplify assembly lines a lot. Number two is the need to maintain a consistent brand aesthetic. You notice at the beginning of the video that the front bumpers are the same within the same manufacturer. It's on purpose. When you look in the side view mirror and you see this car, then you know it's a Bugatti because those vehicles share a similar front bumper design within their brand. The front bumper is like a recognizable face. Car manufacturers are aiming for consumers to recognize their company. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.